Hi friends, in this session we are going to see what is map function. Map function takes first argument as function and it can be lambda function or user defined function. And second argument is iterable object. It can be list, tuple or set. And it applies that function to each element in iterable objects. And we'll see this with an example. Here I have taken list of numbers 1 to 4 and I want to square each element in the list. For that I have written the map function, and inside that first argument is a function. It can be I have defined as a lambda function, and I am squaring the number here, and I have passed the second argument is numbers list. And this is one example, and second example is I have a list of names and I want to capitalize the each letter in a name. For that I have used a map function and str.upper. The first argument is I passed str.upper function. This is the inbuilt function strings, and the second argument is names list. Okay, and the third example is actually I have defined a user defined function here. I have defined my own function get gender. If I pass to this function, if it is a true, then it will give male, and if it is a false, then it will give female. For that I have taken the list of boolean values true, false, true, false, true. Okay, and if it is a true, then I need to get male and female. False is female, false is female, and true is male. It needs to return that list male, female, female, male. Okay, for that I have taken map function here and I pass the get gender, and each boolean value it will iterate through the list, and it will give each value to this gender function, and the gender as true, false, false, true. Okay, and the second argument is genders. Okay, list of boolean values. This is one of the example, and the final example is I have taken number one and number two lists. Okay, I want to multiply each element in a two list. Suppose 0th index with 0th index of numbers 2 list, numbers 1 list with numbers 2. Okay, with the position wise multiplication. For that I have taken map function, and here I am applying the multiplication operation here x comma y. X is the numbers 1 element, and numbers 2 element is y. Okay, and I passed numbers 1 and numbers 2 lists here. We can pass n number of iterables here. Okay, not only single iterable object. And after that actually I printed here. Okay, we'll try to execute this program and see the output. Okay, first actually I have taken 1 2 3 4 and I have square the each element using map function and lambda. Okay, and we got the square of each numbers. And after that actually I have declared names Suresh, Kiran, Ramesh, and I have capitalized all the numbers, all the names using str.upper in the map function, and that is already, yeah, it is displayed. And next one is we have taken a list of boolean values. If it is a true, and it needs to get male. If it is a false, it needs to get female. Okay, for that we have taken map function and we have passed the user defined function here, whatever we define, and the list of the boolean values. For that it has given the male, female, female, male. Okay, based on the boolean values. And here I have declared numbers 1 and numbers 2 with map function, and we are multiplying the each element, index position wise multiplication of the numbers 1 and numbers 2 elements. Here we have taken lambda x comma y and we are multiplying this with numbers 1 and numbers 2, and numbers 1 element will get flow into x, and numbers 2 element will get flow into y, the position wise. Then it is printed the multiplication of the position wise elements: 1 into 10, 2 into 20, 40, 3 into 30, 90. That's all. Thank you.